dog is winning! Come on, Misty! Go on, run, look at that! Come on! Look, there he goes! Misty, run, come on!
You won.
He totally won! So did you grow up around here, then?
Not far south Boston.
Still glowing from my win.
Look at you, you're so happy.
And what was that like, then?
Just, you know, normal, I guess. Nothing special.
Have you got lots of brothers and sisters?
I have a lot of brothers and sisters.
That's what I said.
Well, Irish Catholic, what do you think?
Right. That's right. So how many?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Why? Go on. What, 5? 7? 8? How many?
I have 12 big brothers.
You do not
I swear to God, I swear to God. I'm lucky 13 right here.
Do you know all their names?
Yeah, they're my brothers.
What are they called?
Marky, Ricky, Danny, Terry, Mikey, Davey, Timmy, Tommy, Joey, Robbie, Johnny, and Brian.
Say it again.
Marky, Ricky, Danny, Terry, Mikey, Davey, Timmy, Tommy, Joey, Robbie, Johnny, and Brian.
And Willie.
Willie?
Yeah.
Will.
Wow. Do you still see all of them?
Yeah, well, they all live in Southie. I'm living with 3 of them right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'd like to meet them.
Yeah, we'll do that.